So my favorite part about the NOVUS conference is just talking with other franchisees, exchanging ideas, what works for them, what doesn't work for them, just getting ideas on ways that I can improve my business.
My name's Nick, I'm from San Diego. This is my second conference ever. I started in July of 2019. I leave knowing a lot more people than I did the last time. You're talking to other business owners, other people who've been successful. You can maybe not make some of the same mistakes they did and do some of the same good stuff that they've already done the hard work and learning to do. A lot of good motivational speakers. I really leave these conferences with a lot of motivation, and hearing Steve talk, it's good to know the direction that NOVUS is going in, and know that we're being led and to trust the system.
This is the third NOVUS conference I've been to. I've been a NOVUS franchisee for 15 years. The first few years we didn't come, but it's been very beneficial. The last 3 that I've come to, and I would encourage anybody that hasn't been to come out.